Hello guys, welcome ulit sa Star PH TV. So, another unwrapping tayo ngayon. And this time we're going to unwrap yung mga nakuha nating loots from Papi's Box Break. Yan guys, medyo nakasunod-sunod yung box breaks. Ito yung iba matagal na and yung iba just recently. So, ngayon lang na-ship and we're going to check out kung ano yung mga nakuha natin. Yun guys, unwrap things up cam. So I think we have 3 box breaks na sinalihan. This is the earlier box break 414, 424 and 426. So yun, typically naman what we are getting are Cleveland and Utah. So with box 414 yun, kasi medyo marami tayong hinahunt na kinokollect natin with this cards or with this set, yung 2021 na Mosaic. So as you can see din sa mga videos natin, we are collecting different parallels ni Kevin Love, ni Isaac Okoro and si Larry Nance Jr. So unfortunately medyo hindi tayo pinalad. Ito lang yung mga nakuha natin. I think this one is a freebie. So yun, bago ko pala makalimutan, big shoutout kay bro Omar Dalangin. So siya yung contact natin sa Papi's Box Break, and just check out yung Facebook page nila, Papi's Box Break. So para maka-join din kayo sa mga breaks. May bagong breaks ngayon as usual. Yun, Utah yung kinukuha natin. And we got a base card ni Kevin Love, Darius Garland, Jarrett Allen na green. So ito yata yung 20 boxes of cereals na inopen. And we got 2 red explore tawag dito, red reactive ni Larry Nance Jr. So, well, both of these meron na tayo. So, basically, medyo wala tayong nakuhang maganda dun sa break na yon in general. So, hindi lumabas yung mga hinahunt natin. So, guys, pag may mga box break kayo ng Mosaic na 2021, yan, join tayo dyan. Kunin ko yung Cleveland. This time, we got yung box break 424 with Papi's Box Break. And some of the rookies that we are rooting for, yan, si Keontae George. Medyo maganda yung nilalaro niya and regularly, alam ko starting lineup siya with Utah. But of course, ang inahabol pa rin natin is yung mga parallels or cards ni Jordan Clarkson, si Kabayan. So yung ating current favorite player. So maraming sasabi si Jordan Clarkson daw globally medyo hindi okay i-collect. But for us Filipinos, one of our superstars, si Kabayan Jordan Clarkson. So we got base cards from Talen Horton-Tucker, Ochai Agbaji, nasa Rockets na ngayon. We got Bryce Sensabaugh, the other rookie. I'm not sure, hindi ko lang familiar kung anong box tong nabuksan dito. I think hobby box ng Dan Ross. So we got base, another Ochai Agbaji. We got a Taylor Hendricks na Great Expectation. So medyo may playing time din ngayon si Taylor Hendricks. And we got the base card ni Walker Kessler, Talen Horton-Tucker, si Simone Pontecchio nasa New York na, or Detroit, nasa Detroit na. Another Talen Horton-Tucker, Bryce Sensabaugh na another rookie, another Ochai Agbaji, Taylor Hendricks na rookie, John Collins, base card. Dami natin Talen Horton-Tucker, and unfortunately, wala tayong nakuhang dito sa break na to, wala tayong nakuhang Jordan Clarkson. So, yun lang. And you got Simone Pontecchio na green and Bryce Sensabaugh na green laser. So, yung mga naka-top load natin, we got this franchise features ni Keontae George, another rookie card, this one with Keontae George, and Great Expectations ni Keontae George. So hopefully Keontae George becomes a great player. May shooting siya, so I'm seeing na parang Trae Young ang dating. So hopefully mag-pick up yung career and yung game niya para medyo tumaas yung value ng mga cards, especially mga rookie cards niya. So yan, lagyan natin sa side muna. Then we got si 426, a mix of Prism and ano rin, Donruss. So may mga ibang breaks pa tayong sinasalihan, but for now tatlong groups lang, yung kay Brody Nairo and yung kay Jed. So pag nakuha natin yung mga loots nila, then we'll shout them out dito sa ating page. So kunin muna natin yung mga hindi naka-top load. We'll start off with this Larry Markkanen rookie card, Simone Fontecchio. Yun, we got a Jordan Clarkson. So base card man yan, PC ko yan. And Walker Kessler, Tim Horton Tucker. Base card of Taylor Hendricks and Bryson Sabo. We got Taylor Hendricks na Monopoly, base na rookie card. We got the Monopoly ni Larry Markkanen, another Jordan Clarkson. Then ulit. And Colin Sexton, Jim Collins, Ochai Agbaji, another Taylor Hendricks, and another Taylor Hendricks. Tatlong Taylor Hendricks na rookie cards. Sa mga naka-top load, we got Retro Series ni Keontae George. I got Keontae George na anong card ba to? Hindi lang familiar ko anong card to, but this is an insert. Yun. So guys, kung alam niyo yung card na to, please share sa comment section below. And we got this rookie card, Keontae George. We got Keontae George na rookie card, Monopoly Prism, and another Monopoly Prism. So mga base card lang siya, wala tayong nakuha silver or parallel na Monopoly. So may mga sinalihan pa tayo. I hope medyo makakuha tayo ng maganda dun sa mga breaks na yon. So far, ito yung mga nakuha natin with this breaks. And okay na rin kasi medyo marami tayong mga nakuhang rookie cards. But for Donruss guys, medyo alam ko ano lang card lang or isang base card lang si Jordan Clarkson. So I'm just checking dun sa mga ano niya, sa mga parallels niya. Hopefully makakuha tayo ng different parallels nung Jordan Clarkson na card. Oops, yun pala, press proof pa yung isa. So basically this is an insert dun sa Donruss hobby box, and we got the base card. And with that, I would like to give a big shout out kay Bro Omar Dalangin and sa mga kasama natin dyan sa Papi's Box Break. And guys, tangkilikin nyo rin yung ating Shopee. Yun, Tower PH Collection. So if you're looking for cards for reasonable prices, yan. So yung mga hindi natin PC or kinokollect, nilalagay natin dun sa ating gold and silver repack. So, let me check. Ayan. So, dun sa ating Shopee, we got the silver card repacks, paper-based basketball card sleeve, and one rookie or insert guarantee from Hoops, Donruss, Contender. So, soon we'll be putting up mga 2024 na cards, no? Kasi medyo paubos na yung ating 2023. And yung ating gold NBA cards pack, we have yung lahat ng chrome and mga special cards. So 5 cards with guaranteed rookie or insert, plus may mga superstar. And watch out for random auto patch or numbered card yan. So this is 30 pesos and this is 79 pesos dun sa ating Tower PH Shopee. And may automatic 12% discount. So may automatic 12% discount yon. So just imagine magkano lang yon. And yun nga, yung quality niya, of course, as much as possible, I want to preserve yung quality niya as if you are opening a fresh pack. Pero pag bukas nyo is naka-sleeve na. So, yun. And also, big shoutout sa ating mga members na si BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Hampas Lupang Burgess, si John RT Vlog na Mimi and Yuki na yung name ng channel niya, and yung bago niyang channel, Junk Collab, si Taste and Sip by Tesha, si Mami Madselen, and of course si Mami Bell Sato, and of course big shoutout kay Daddy O HLG and sa mga kasama natin dyan sa HLJ group or HLJ family yun. So big shoutout sa inyo, and big shoutout also sa ating mga kaibigan ng mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and of course trading card collectors, especially sa mga shoutout sa inyo mga nagko-collect ng Jordan Clarkson, yun, Pinoy Pride. So again guys, this is Albert Remo. Maraming salamat po. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, please do click like, and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, where we talk about different kinds of collections and investment. So hanggang dito lang guys, kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating pa mga susunod na mga videos. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.